Going to love the 2017 Cadillac XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-sized luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.